Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Blurams security camera is not connecting to Wi-Fi, this video is going to show you the exact fixes that you can use in 2026. So first of all, you need to check your Wi-Fi band setup. Most of the Blurams cameras still don't support the 5 gigahertz properly. So if your router combines two bands, connection often fails. So you need to separate the 2.4 gigahertz and then you need to connect your camera only to that network. Now in this step 2, you just have to simply focus on the QR code pairing accuracy. So during the setup, you just have to hold your phone about 10 to 20 centimeters away from the camera lens and keep the screen brightness high. Even a small mistake here can stop the connection process. Now you need to check your reset method. Many people do not quick restart, but then that do not basically fix the pairing issues. So you need to simply press and hold the reset button until the light starts blinking or until you hear a beep. This puts the camera into the proper setup mode. Now, if too many devices are connected to your router, the camera may also fail to connect or stay stuck. So you need to disconnect a few devices temporarily and then you can try again connecting it to Wi-Fi. Now, sometimes the router is connected but there is no internet connection. So you can try connecting your phone to the same network and test if the websites are loading properly. Also, make sure that the location, the Bluetooth, and the network permissions are enabled for the Blurams apps. Without these, the setup can fail in the newer app versions. So, if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.